Welcome to Wisconsin Homestyle Kitchen with Alice in Dairyland.
October 18th is National Chocolate Cupcake Day, and what better way to celebrate than by using the official beverage of Halloween, chocolate milk. Today I'm going to be making chocolate milk cupcakes with a chocolate milk buttercream frosting. Chocolate milk is the official beverage of Halloween, and it's a treat that kids and parents can agree on. Chocolate milk is packed with 9 essential nutrients including calcium, protein, and vitamin D. Chocolate milk can be added into almost any meal, but today we're going to have it for dessert. My chocolate milk chocolate cupcakes are out of the oven and they are cooling right now. So next step is to make the chocolate milk buttercream frosting. And that's how you make these chocolate milk cupcakes with chocolate milk buttercream frosting. This recipe is perfect to make at home with your family and is festive because chocolate milk is the official beverage of Halloween. Not only is chocolate milk delicious, but it's also packed with protein, calcium, and vitamin D. You can find this recipe and more ways to use the official beverage of Halloween at aliceinDairyland.com. Happy Halloween!